If you're looking to grow your own medicine right at home, these are 10 of the best medicinal herbs you can plant, whether you're working with a backyard, a patio, or just a few pots. First up is chamomile. This gentle herb is known for its calming effects and makes a soothing tea that helps with sleep and digestion. Next is lavender. Not only does it smell amazing, it's also great for stress relief, wound healing, and even repelling pests. Peppermint is a powerhouse. It grows fast and helps with headaches, nausea, and digestion, plus it makes a refreshing tea. Lemon balm has a light citrus scent and is perfect for calming anxiety, improving mood, and promoting restful sleep. Echinacea, also called coneflower, is a beautiful plant that supports the immune system and may help fight off colds and infections. Holy basil, or tulsi, is a sacred herb in many cultures. It's great for reducing stress, balancing blood sugar, and supporting immunity. Yarrow has feathery leaves and clusters of tiny flowers. Traditionally, it's been used to stop bleeding and support wound healing. Thyme isn't just for cooking, it's also antimicrobial and great for respiratory health. Calendula brings bright orange blooms and is amazing for skin. Use it in salves, oils, or teas to soothe rashes, cuts, and inflammation. And finally, rosemary, good for memory, circulation, and a natural mood booster. Plus, it smells incredible every time you brush by it. These herbs are beautiful, useful, and easy to grow. Add a few to your garden or patio and start building your own homegrown herbal medicine cabinet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden tips.